Plutus IAS has requested me to participate in a seminar. I'm very happy that Plutus IAS has requested me to participate in a seminar along with an esteemed colleague of mine from the IAS, Mr. Chaturvedi, to address the young IAS aspirants. Well, having been in the IAS for over 37 years, I entered the IAS when I was hardly 22 and left it when I was 60, so it's 38 years nearly. I would still say it is the best service in the country. And it is an unparalleled service because after retirement, for the last 17 years, I am also chairman of several listed companies, which includes companies like Godfrey Phillips, Indophil, Car Trade. I was also for 10 years chairman of Shriram Transport Company. I have seen the corporate world also. The kind of challenges, the kind of achievements you can make in the IAS, in public service, is unmatched. So it is very natural that young, bright Indians, both boys and girls, all want to be IAS officers, and it will be my pleasure to share my experiences with them, and if I can give them some tips, having been a member of the UPSC selection myself for some time, I can certainly tell them what the members expect out of the young aspirants, what are the qualities they give importance to, and possibly help them in achieving their ambition. Thank you.